There's something unsettling about the woods after dark. Every snap of a twig, every rustle in the trees, it all feels wrong. Tonight, we're exploring 6 chilling encounters that were caught on camera, each one more disturbing than the last. If you thought camping was peaceful, think again. Let's jump straight into the first encounter. The first video tonight comes from Night Encounters, a YouTube channel focused on nighttime explorations of creepy, abandoned, or haunted locations. The creators typically venture into dark tunnels, forests, cemeteries, and other eerie environments in search of paranormal activity, mysterious encounters, or unsettling sounds and visuals. It is December the 19th, 2023, and as the group enters the tunnel, they begin to hear faint talking and unexplained noises. The deeper they go, the more unnerving the atmosphere becomes. Suddenly, they hear what sounds like someone running toward them.
So, as you can see, we are pretty much in some sort of a big ravine right now. It is, if you look at the ground, looks like we're in the hills or something. Bro, it goes like pretty much up there into the mountains. So yeah, this whole place is pretty creepy, and it's also gonna get pitch dark. You know, if you look out, it's pretty much pitch dark, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, the tunnel is somewhere over there, so we're gonna go check it out. It's gonna be super creepy. Don't know what we're gonna find, but yeah, let's start heading over there. Yeah, it has been like a few days since we actually landed here, but we haven't gotten around to checking out the tunnel, so we're gonna do it tonight. And I'm pretty sure we're also going to return maybe tomorrow or something, like in the dead of night, you know, and it will be like the absolutely scariest thing ever. Yeah, it looks pretty quiet right now. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like right in front of us, over there. Okay, yeah, dude, look. This is the freaking tunnel. Holy crap, this is weird. It's like a weird entrance sign, and it's all like graffitied off. Frick. There's like glass on the ground. Let's try going in for a second. Oh, hello? Dude, we gotta be like quiet.
As pitch black darkness looms over the area, making everything feel even more eerie, the boys bravely decide to enter the tunnel.
So I heard like talking, dude. Okay, I don't know. Wait, dude, give me the camera. Look at this place. Oh no, I'm hearing something. No idea what it is. Sounds like talking pretty much, but yeah, we're in this tunnel right now, and it's also like almost Halloween, so you know, it's like clown season and stuff, and I don't know, maybe we find a clown, maybe not, but dude, this place is like so creepy. I also have no idea like how long this place is. You know, it could be like, I don't know. It's like pitch dark over there. Sounds like footsteps to it, low-key. Okay, so right now I think I see like a turn going right or something. So we're gonna check it out, I think. It's like maybe like 20 meters ahead of us. Oh wait, if I see something. think I see like a light or something. Look. Could be like the other entrance or something. It's like super weird. Shh, yeah. I swear I hear something. Go, go, go. Wait, what was that? There's like someone there, dude. 100%. Someone started like running at us or something, dude. You heard that, right? Wait, turn it on, turn it on. Okay. Wait. Something or something. But I think I saw like the other end, so I'm not really sure, you know? That came from tunnel, dude. 100%. Okay, dude, let's get the out of here.
After a few steps in, they spot what they think might be a light deeper inside. Then, out of nowhere, the unmistakable sound of footsteps begins rushing toward them, fast and loud. With no time to think, their flight instincts kick in, and they bolt out of the tunnel as quickly as they can. My guess is, it could have been a homeless person or a squatter using the tunnel as shelter, or maybe just other explorers messing around. Either way, hearing footsteps charging at you from complete darkness is enough to send anyone running. Disturbing no matter what the explanation is. Imagine this: no phone signal, no one around, just the forest, and something moving in the distance. Would you stay the night or sprint back to your car without looking back? The next horrifying video comes from Franco TV, an American YouTube channel that delves into the realm of paranormal exploration. The creator, known as Franco, ventures into abandoned and reportedly haunted locations, documenting his experiences with eerie phenomena. It is March the 22nd, 2024, and while exploring a cemetery, Franco experiences a deeply unsettling series of events. Near the children's section, he begins hearing chilling noises, what sounds like crying, and disembodied voices. Things quickly escalate when he's approached and nearly robbed by two men carrying a bat, forcing him to flee. Later in the night, he spots what looks like a childlike apparition darting across a path, hears more cries, and even sees a head peering out from a tomb, confirming his earlier suspicions of something truly sinister going on. Toward the end of the video, Franco encounters an eerie old woman who insists on showing him something inside a nearby tunnel, which he suspects may have been part of a setup.
Niño, ¿quieres hablar? Whatever it is, the frequency is getting stronger the closer I keep walking this way. But I am heart set right. You hear it? Hola, ¿qué tal? ¿Quién eres? Somebody's up there. Somebody's up there. F***ing guy. ¿Quién eres? ¿Qué te quieres? No, ¿cómo tú puedes robar? Haciendo video ahora. No, señor, yo estoy haciendo en vivo. Gente está saliéndote, señor. No, no.
Thinking he might be communicating with a spirit, Franco calls out into the darkness. But he gets one of the most disturbing responses yet. Two men, armed with a bat, shout back aggressively, questioning what he's doing there. He begins backing off as they get closer and eventually chase him, attempting to rob him.
So I just made contact. With these guys. Oh my God. All right, so I don't know what just happened. I think I almost got robbed. I'm in the middle of recording an area through the children's cemetery. And then a guy comes out and starts asking me questions and stuff, but he's not telling me who he is. So of course, no one's supposed to be back here. I'm gone. The dude runs after me this time, and this time he's got a bat, and he comes out with some other guy running after me with a bat. Holy. The guys approach me, and I end up stopping because stupid me, I don't even have a knife on me. My knife is back there in the back of my book bag. And I can't even reach my knife. He gets up to me with a bat. And I'm like, soy vivo, soy vivo. I'm live pretty much, that I'm doing a live stream. Everyone's seeing you right now. You could do whatever you want, but they know your face. Look, I have your face right here. And the guys believed it. They believed it, and then they walked away, and I just started walking fast the other way. I put the camera down. I didn't want them thinking it was a camera, too much like a regular camera. Oh my God, my stomach hurts for how much I ran. Jesus Christ. I'm already seeing a light further up through there. I don't know if that's them or not. See that light? I don't know if that's them or not. I'm just seeing some sort of light up there. Just reflecting in the distance. I'm gonna wait like about an hour before I go back up there. But I was hearing noises. I was hearing what sounded like a loud bang. They could have been robbing something or stealing something. And then I started getting weird frequencies. I don't know if it's something supernatural or what's going on, but every time I get weird frequencies on this thing, something ends up happening. The last time the same thing happened, where I got a weird frequency on the radio, and then the guy showed up with a flashlight.
Luckily, Franco manages to de-escalate the situation by convincing the attackers he's live streaming and that everything they're doing is being filmed and broadcasted, including their faces. The bluff seems to work, but unfortunately, things only get more disturbing from here on.
There is a kid crying up here. I don't know what it is. Hold on. Hola? You hear it? I'm gonna zoom back out. Niño? I'm gonna have my flashlight out just in case. Niño.
Cries, sounding like those of a child, echo through the graveyard. Franco spots a figure at the end of a pathway, calls out, and sees someone quickly poke their head around the corner. But by the time he reaches that spot, whoever was there has vanished into the night.
I don't even know what the hell I just heard. It was right over here. It sounded like something fell or something. What the hell is that? That's the tomb. Hola? What the? I legit just saw something staring at me right there from the tomb. Hola? What the hell is that? That's the tomb. What the hell is that? That's the tomb.
The sounds intensify. This time, Franco hears screaming and then spots someone peering at him from behind a metal gate, just standing there, silently watching and lurking.
I don't like going down this area. But because I can't go to the kids area because I don't know if those guys are still up there, I'm just gonna come to this area and see what I can get. It smells like urine. A lot of urine. I'm not sure where it's coming from. What the heck? Hola? ¿Cómo se llamas?
Muchacho, ven, mira. Ven,
¿Qué pasó?
ven, mira.
¿Qué tú quieres? ¿Tú trabajas aquí?
Sí, ven, mira.
No quiero, señora.
Mira, no te vas a apuntar, ven.
No, señora. Gracias. Me voy, perdóname.
Ven.
She wants me to go over there and look at something. ¿Todo está bien? ¿Necesito ayuda? She's just saying, mira, look. Gracias, señora, me voy.
Ven, hijo, ven, mira.
Turning on that IR. No.
Ven.
No, gracias, me voy. Adiós, señora. Me lo acompaño. She just said, I'll come follow. I'll go with you. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave for tonight. It's an old lady. No, wait. God. No, gracias, señora. She wants me to go inside. She's pointing at the tunnel. She's still saying bang. She's pointing at the freaking tunnel. The tunnel where I saw that creepy face. That. I'm pretty sure that's a setup. I don't even know if she's there by herself. She looked like she was talking to somebody else for a second in the corner. Muchacho, bang. Holy Thank you.
Then, in one of the most disturbing moments of the night, Franco encounters an old woman who insists he follow her, saying she wants to show him something. He tries to have a conversation, but all she keeps doing is beckoning him over. Thankfully, Franco doesn't take the bait, suspecting she may have been working with the people who tried to rob him earlier, or part of an even more dangerous setup. This truly was one of the most disturbing videos we've seen. From the two people chasing him with a bat, to someone lurking in the shadows at the tomb entrance, to an eerie old woman trying to lure him away. Thankfully, Franco made it out safely. But it's a strong reminder that sometimes the scariest thing you can run into on a solo exploration isn't a ghost. It's another person. Sorry to interrupt the video, but if you're enjoying it, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. We're trying to hit 50,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and right now, 80% of viewers aren't subscribed. So if you're one of them, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It really means a lot. Your support helps us continue creating awesome, creepy videos. Now, let's get back to the video. The next chilling video comes from Exploring Purgatory, a YouTube channel focused on paranormal exploration, haunted locations, and creepy outdoor adventures. The creators often venture into abandoned buildings, eerie forests, and trails rumored to be haunted, capturing their raw reactions to unexplained events, strange noises, and unsettling atmospheres. It is October the 8th, 2020, and while trekking a remote trail, likely deep in the woods, the group begins to feel a growing unease. They hear something rustling nearby, possibly in the trees, and one of them detects a sudden cold spot, commonly associated with paranormal activity. As they attempt to backtrack, their GPS becomes unreliable, and the trail begins to look unfamiliar, despite having just walked it.
Trees above it, completely blocking out the sky.
That's the thing. If we just keep going, it's going to never end.
Yeah.
That or we end up somewhere in a...
Well, on the map, what is it?
Quickly, did you see the white figure?
Does it look like it ends?
I'm sure. Like in Huntington or something. Like, I can't see. What?
There's something out
Okay. So it does end. It looks like there's going to be houses down there.
there. Yeah?
Looks it. Yeah.
We're gonna turn around because there's something. There's something in the woods over there.
Yeah. I heard that.
You did, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So dark. When you look behind us, it's
Pitch
completely dark.
black. Like my infrared is even picking up right now.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
That's how dark it is?
Yeah. I'm gonna turn my flashlight
wow.
off. Maybe it doesn't...
Yo, look at that.
Crazy.
Look how dark that is. Look how dark that is. Look how dark that is. Look how dark. You can't even tell there's a trail there.
I know. There's nothing. There's like nothing.
Oh man.
Let's go to Mount Misery.
This trail though,
Huh.
all jokes aside, takes the cake
Yeah.
for me. This one, out of everything we've done tonight, this is by far the creepiest section right here.
Well, now we know.
Whatever this was an entrance to.
I keep getting like a cold spot here. Okay. Let's go.
Oh man.
As pitch black darkness looms over the woods, they begin to get seriously creeped out by strange noises. They decide it's time to head out, but quickly become disoriented. On top of that, one of them hears what sounds like a whisper coming from the woods, making the situation even more unsettling.
It's a long way back.
Yep.
And we're back. Okay.
Straight?
Hold on. I know I need to stay in one spot. I need to stay in one spot. I want to stay in one spot. Okay. Let's see. I don't like forks. I don't like forks. I don't like forks. No.
Pop pipe.
Wait.
Pop pipe.
It is something. I remember. I remember
the pipe, but that's not it.
Oh God, that fucking Trump.
You
That.
scared the out of me.
Oh, that scared
I
the.
thought you saw there.
I know. That was like some lady in a dress.
Yeah, it does. Don't say that. Oh. Where's this goddamn pipe? This ain't it either.
No, but we're on the trail.
Oh. This is
You mother.
getting scarier. We're like on our way out and it's getting scarier.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Where are you going? Why? GPS is getting confused.
It knows what it's doing.
Yeah. Haha. Careful. Okay. Okay, we're good.
I don't remember that.
No?
Do you? You remember seeing this thing? I don't. At all. Do you?
Say that.
I don't remember seeing that.
Now you got me second guessing myself.
We didn't see this.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
We're going the right way though.
We definitely did not see this.
They end up so turned around, they can't find the way out for another 3 hours. Eventually, they make it back to safety, but the experience clearly rattled them. From the complete blackness to the silent eeriness of the woods, the unexplained whispers, the white figure at the start, and the sighting of a woman dressed in white. Something about that place just wasn't right. Not to mention their equipment started glitching. They were definitely not alone, in my opinion. A spirit or something paranormal was following them through the shadows. The woods are full of sounds, but it's footsteps that don't belong that truly rattle us. It's not creatures we fear most. It's the sudden, silent presence of another person just watching. The next shocking video of the night comes from Fuzzy Dog Productions, a YouTube channel focused on relaxed, personality-driven travel and camping adventures. Featuring a couple and their dogs, the channel blends humor, music, scenic locations, and the occasional unexpected real-life moment during their road trips and campsite stays. It is June the 25th, 2025, and during what was meant to be a peaceful overnight stay, the couple experienced one of their strangest and most unsettling encounters to date. Around 5 a.m., someone quietly entered their campsite while they were asleep.
All right, it was a long ride. We had a long day. We got the fuzzy dogs. Everybody is tucked in. I love you too. You are the best dog ever. Okay, all right. We will see you guys on a fuzzy dog morning. Boom.
You might have taken more, I don't know.
Wow.
That's crazy. We got robbed.
Why didn't you take the Annie's mac and cheese?
Was this there? Is this the Drambuie thing? I bet it is, right? Morning. We had a guy walk through here probably about 5 in the morning. The dog was starting to bark. We don't know how long he was here, and he stole all our booze. Literally went through the back of Luna, took the Drambuie for the recommended drink, and just kept walking.
As the sun rises and the sound of birds fills the air, they step outside only to realize something disturbing has happened. Someone has robbed them.
Wow. Lesson learned. Not only did he take our good stuff, he left us stuff. We're definitely a little shocked that this guy went through all of our stuff. This lady here, Mrs. Fuzzy Dog, she's just pissed. Rightfully so. It's just weird. Good morning.
Good morning.
You've been robbed of all your good booze and left this garbage.
So weird. You brought it here. Swapped it.
He
It's so
swapped
weird.
it.
That took thought.
Yeah,
Can you put that on YouTube?
why not? I don't know. We have been into some interesting spots. But even some of those party spots, I never felt like somebody was gonna do that.
No. I can see if he walked by and just took it, but he brought us something weird. Like, I
Yeah.
don't know. It's so strange. And should we even drink anything that's left in there?
What's left?
The Kraken?
Yeah, how come he didn't take the Kraken? He didn't want the Kraken? Yeah, that's a tab. New camp tab. Ah, it's so nice. There he is. All right, we are leaving this place. This place is beautiful. It's huge. It's heavily wooded, so we feel like we're in the woods, which is really exciting, especially after the morning. But we're going to forget about that morning. We're going to go get lobster rolls. We're going to go get booze. I don't know. We're going to go find an adventure. Get these dogs for a long walk, probably at one of the state parks out here on the Cape. Let's go.
In a strange twist, the thief didn't take electronics or gear. Instead, they went through their stuff and stole all of their premium liquor, replacing it with cheaper off-brand bottles. It was a calculated move. No damage, no mess, just a silent swap while they slept. The realization only hit when they remembered their dog barking early that morning, something they initially brushed off. What makes this even more unsettling is the level of intent behind it. Whoever did this came prepared, with replacement bottles in hand, and managed to get in and out without waking anyone. It wasn't just theft. It felt like a personal invasion. Despite the weird start to their day, the couple carried on, tracking down some lobster rolls and trying to find replacements for what was taken. But the tone of the trip had changed. That uneasy feeling stuck with them, a reminder that even in the most relaxed and beautiful campsites, you're never completely alone. Some threats are obvious. Others drift silently through the dark, unnoticed until it's far too late. It's those shadowy, unseen forces that haunt us long after the sun comes up. The next video comes from Action Adventure Twins, a YouTube channel run by identical twin brothers, James and Edward. They film raw, first-person POV footage of their daring explorations, mainly caving and abandoned spaces. It is September the 14th, 2023, and the Action Adventure Twins, along with a few other explorers, venture into a deep river cave, equipped with nothing more than pool floats and minimal safety gear. What starts off playful quickly turns intense as they navigate through extremely tight passages, slippery mud climbs, unstable sandstone, and rising water levels.
Oh yeah, so this is all that rust color. got like a mile of this crawl to do.
That's gnarly, man. Let me see.
That flew off?
Oh yeah. Was this the salt? That's a lot of carbide on the roof.
That's so fragile.
This whole cave is like sandstone.
This is what we were looking at to send before.
You want me to send it?
You're gonna have to move some rocks
Oh.
once you're down there, but it's very tight.
I was hoping I could just slip
It's very tight.
right through, you know. Should have gone down head first. It looks like I moved one rock.
Yeah, there's like a little tiny pile, and then it looks like
There it goes.
no way to spin around either, is there?
No.
You're committed.
I'm committed to how I'm doing it.
Yep.
All right, let's see if I can fit.
You're going backwards?
Yeah, I mean, I'm already spun around this way.
As the team pushes deeper into the cave, the sound of crashing water echoes through the chambers. They move through unbelievably tight gaps that would make even the most seasoned viewer feel claustrophobic. Videos like this are exactly why I don't think I could ever go caving myself.
You gonna check it, see if it's worth coming?
Yeah, for sure.
I think you're almost there. Hard to believe it would open up.
Let's see if it does. Oh, yeah. What? Let me go check this out. It leads into the vortex room.
What?
Yeah.
Are you f***ing serious?
Yeah. That's all it does. It just goes into the vortex room. Hey, now we know why nobody dug that out, you know.
This is terrible.
I know.
Come on, guys, go do something cool. Last little push.
Final push.
Good job. Good job opening it up to the new room.
Whole brand new room, man.
No way. No, it's the vortex room. Back to the vortex room.
No soap and everything.
It was pretty fun though, right? Has anybody gone this way and followed the stream? No. No, it turns into a breakdown pile. All right, we head back. back out of the cave. We may hit some side passages on the way out, or just head straight out.
They decide it's time to head out. But this is when things really start to get scary.
I said my lights are dying. This is the passage we went through?
It's almost all the way to the ceiling.
What the heck?
Like, you gotta get out of the cliff.
What do you mean, dude?
It's literally flooded.
What do you mean? It's flooding?
It's almost to the ceiling. Can you even make it?
Yeah, I think so. Alright guys, we made it out of the cave. The GoPro and one of my headlights filled up with water, so they're broken.
Luckily, they make it out just in time. There's still enough air and space to squeeze through the original passageway. But this close call shows just how unpredictable caves can be. The same entrance they came in through was suddenly starting to flood, without warning. Between the jagged rock walls, dangerously tight squeezes, and the terrifying possibility of getting trapped by rising water, this video is a strong reminder of how unforgiving nature can be. For me, it's just another reason why caving is one adventure I'll leave to the pros. Before the next clip, if you're enjoying the video, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. We're trying to hit 50,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and right now, 80% of viewers aren't subscribed. So if you're one of them, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It really means a lot. Your support helps us continue creating awesome, creepy videos. Now, let's get back to the video. The last video of the night comes from Side Money Tom, a YouTube channel focused on adventure vlogging with a twist of mystery and thrill. Tom explores offbeat, often restricted or infamous locations, like Area 51, while documenting the journey with a mix of humor, suspense, and raw reactions. It is October the 7th, 2016, the peak of the viral creepy clown takeover, and in this unsettling clip, a young woman cautiously walks toward a clown, standing motionless in the distance. But then, the figure suddenly rises and begins advancing toward her with a shovel in hand. Panic sets in fast as she quickly realizes this is no harmless prank. The clown stops just short of making contact, but the aggressive approach, paired with the fact that he's carrying what looks like a weapon, makes it feel dangerously real. You can hear the genuine fear in her voice as she backs away and runs, eventually taking shelter behind a portable toilet while he continues banging on it. After the encounter, she did report the incident to police, but with no clear suspect, and this happening nearly a decade ago, no update has ever followed. While 2016 was full of clown sightings and pranks across the country, what makes this one stand out is the physical chase and the presence of the shovel. This wasn't just someone lurking. It looked like it could have turned violent. Luckily, she made it out safely. But this video is a reminder of how even viral trends can turn terrifying when the line between joke and threat gets crossed. We appreciate you for watching. If these creepy encounters gave you chills, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. There's always another mystery waiting just around the corner.